Rongbong Terang residents and adjoining villages urges for restoration of PHE water supply scheme. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. The people of Chokihola, Rongbong Terang, along with 8 nearby villages under Nilip development block are facing acute drinking water shortage as the PHE department of the areas has stopped functioning for a long time. Here is a ground report from our correspondent. The PHE department set up a water supply scheme during the ASDC government in the council. However, it was functional only for a few years. There was a sigh of relief when the present government affirmed for the renovation of the PHE department, but work never came up. This has added to the worries of the people. Locals told Karbi Anglong Live that with the intention of making proper repair, the old water pipelines were removed and taken away. However, the new pipes never came. The situation is so deplorable that if the repair of department's office buildings are carried out, it would now cost several lakhs of rupees. In this dry season, the people are facing acute shortage of water. Following this, people of the area had urged the PHE department to take up immediate steps, villages, and urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority to address the acute drinking water shortage by restoring the PHE department.
Ton pinirdak sarpoteron scheme la PHE nilitum phan aprang SCC kang tangtik hut ansin nilitum la so lang jun longchot ma use longchot lapen wangdet Congress Sorkar hut anstamini tum la so PHE nitum thangnata kesuli ave lapen nilitum phan dak nang AP krai thangnata kichun ave non BJP ya government wang hut stami elang litum nang claim tanglo boring bang asap nang AP lo boring nang hut picture ben pipeline ta ave lapen non punon benta nang kethan pibur ve non MLA bang ke non aporan bang ke alang li ningkan phok chok lo la boring ta ningkan phok an alang litum pusi padokok lo la sinang papleng pipede lo tami non ke bang gi hut bang lahaya sai long nilitum hanang lang pipon pe la dagarat rong ner keparar phan nang matha pon pe pulo de la so boring pen la pusi nang BP krai lo pulo te nilitum non ke bang gi election kangwai long aputhak tami nilitum asap o alang litum phan kachire dun dunang kok po ma ke matha dun de dunang kok po nilitum akrong prex tami matha dunang kok po.
Samson Ingti report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Nangletum hiti ka helopen kedam ningka saksak doma. Do posita matha ikri. Humri ignon nangletum adung het kedo Phangcho Enterprise.
Nangletum ladak lomikji lake electronic goods, gift item, food item, cosmetic, water filter, sport and school item. Lasi Humri non MS Phangcho Enterprises, Jirsong Asong Road, Rongkhela, Dipu.
In another news from Koilamati, the Karbi Farmers Association on Tuesday formed its branch at Chotoina under the number 25 Nilip Development Block. KFA President Avinash Ronghang was present at the event. With the aim of creating awareness and encouraging the villagers on adoption of modern technology and scientific methods, KFA Chotoina sub-branch was formed on Tuesday in a meeting which was chaired by Nilip KFA Head Branch President Bikram Tokbi. Apart from the KFA President Avinash Ronghang, Ram Terang Village, GB Khoi Terang and several people of the area attended the meeting. While speaking at a meeting, KFA President Avinash Ronghang said that farming, agriculture and allied work are becoming more crucial than ever as the demand for food and price are rising every day. And small farmers could become self-sufficient only when they adopt modern technology and scientific methods for good harvest. He also urged upon the youths of the area to seriously consider adopting farming as career since jobs have become more scarce and clearly not able to be provided to all. Further, he said individual earnings of farmers exceeds more than the service holders if farmers adopt modern technology and scientific methods. Meanwhile, Noren Terang was appointed as president of the newly formed KFA Chotoina branch and Lison Terang was appointed as general secretary. Other members of the branch include Vice President Pulson Terang, AGS Babu Rongpar, Joint Secretary Khoi Terang, Publicity Secretary Birsing Ingti, Mass Relationship Secretary Alisha Teranpi, Office Secretary Khorsing Teran, Spokesperson Basapi Kramsapi, and Advisor Mondal Terang.
Ni jasemet ni tomla Karbisai Chutiga song pan pinida sotia hana hawan ni constituency kapar lo ni tom Karbisai Chutiga song labang so song aru ma sub branch ke seng pon ni phansi pini tum dak bang lo pen tenang an kiti klem bang phu sam meng chetong no lo pen ni sen pen sini tum labang so kumti ke seng pon ateng no tami officially alang tum form bang na pipena na sini tum dak ni libha wa lo kiti klem according je tum do pik sitame non ke cari bo ma government tum dak ni lib lo kiti klem dhaman kalang pangkre bathak bang ke ni tum paper media pen dang lok la pen khiti kram tum pen jasemet alang le tum personal pen tani tum ke ching ki che than pen la ki sung than tum chini do la sin non pini ladak aru arim ke seng nang ko athei bang ke la lo ladak nilib ha wa long la nilib karbisai tu ki asong la bang so aru tum kan pho ke chok aso convention do first convention nilib aru pen aso convention tang te prang ma sin tum la committee ke seng edim do an bang ni tum committee seng pon patang si convention bang un polote non MLA election la phi ba prang sami padoi phasin tum chi sik bom la sidak nilib long khiti klem dom han kapasung lapen amar sai ki pipe putha bangin tum ning duk pik lo athe khiti klem tum phan ajoi ni pen party apart abatai party nang klang lo akini party nang klang ban party nang klang lo sida khiti klem dom phan bangke kelang ga pangkre lapen alang dom phan intentionally deprive election of por hola song ke klem thap ke klem pu bangke kar bisai tu ga song bang ke tiada koidon thek the lapen ke nili pu kang tu bang ke la lo non ke bang ji election stami nili bhawa long pen ke je alang ni tum phan bang ni tum sodak pen kham kheji da da son khiti klem na ka panu botha bang ni tum koidon thek the la si de pini ni tum la bang so botha ke seng lo bang ka ton ke seng lo si itu misi ning pung da si pin la bang so statement pinang kong lo
Samson Engtis report from Koilamati for Karbenglong Live. The Dimaha South West Division Forest Department on Sunday seized huge numbers of timbers of pine tree with chainsaw and several explosive materials under Umrangso range. Here is a report. Deputy Ranger Lal Khumto Mar said that the forest team recovered the timbers during a routine patrol on late Sunday night near Langhoy and Lobang village under Umrangso police station. After learning some logging activities, the team led by Ranger Pimon Kemprai proceeded in the dark, risking their life. The smugglers, on noticing the forest team heading towards them, managed to escape the scene, taking advantage of the dark. However, the forest team managed to seize trucks which were used by the poachers. Forest officials said that the seized timbers worth over Rs 15 lakhs in the market. Suraj Burman report from Haflong for Karbenglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbenglong Live.